This is part 2 of posting motivational videos for a month. So, before we continue, let me give you a recap of what happened in part 1. Okay, so we gained 26 subscribers in 15 days. And now the most popular video is at 6.6K views. So with all that being said, let us get right into the video. If you guys want a tutorial on how I make these videos and how to get the clips for free, all you have to do is get this video to 150 likes. Okay, this is the video for day 16 and day 17. We will check back on them tomorrow. Okay, now it is the next day, and this video got a good amount of views, but the other one didn't. These are the videos for day 18 through day 20. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. We will check back on them in the morning. These are the results of the videos. Here are the videos for day 21 through 25. Fact number 4. In 3 months, you'll either look back with a smile or look back with regret. I am working while you are partying. I am working while you are sleeping. I am working while you are depressed, sitting in your room and complaining about everything happens in life. Do you notice something? We are different, so don't wonder why our results are not the same.
1 year from today, you are either going to be thanking yourself or kicking yourself. 1 year from today, you're going to look back at the previous 365 days and you're either going to say, thank God I spent my time doing that, or you're going to say, damn, I wish I spent my time doing that.
Here are the results of the videos from day 21 to 25. These are the videos for day 26 through 30. If you start today, in 2 weeks you'll feel stronger. In 1 month you'll notice changes. In 2 months your family and friends will notice. In 3 to 4 months everyone will notice. In 5 to 6 months, everyone will ask how. Now imagine the 1 year mark. Just look at our generation. Is it really hard for you to be better than these idiots? Just imagine meeting again someone who didn't believe in you and you did it. Now make it happen.
Losers let it happen. Winners make it happen. Losers see thunderstorms. Winners see rainbows. Losers take chances. Winners make choices. It's all in the way you choose to think.
So throughout this whole month, we gained 42 subscribers. I should have gained more, but I think YouTube shadow banned me, so that's it for the video. If you liked the video, then subscribe. Bye.